get Johnny in here.
Yeah, sure, go get him. Let's work as a team, huh?
Yeah.
Right. He's busy, Saturday.
Oh, Andrew.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Bad team.
Second, you're good. You're good. You got it.
Stop.
You
need that like a so you need to wire the limit switch.
Okay.
Put on the basketball rim.
Put it on the
Just head. Just head. Yeah, no, I like my head. Thank you.
I'll do it.
Put it on your edge. Do it.
I'll do it.
How about I just... Yeah, if he drives too fast forward with that thing...
I'll dodge.
I'm not gonna drive. You're gonna walk up to it, Frank.
Wait, hang on. Wait. Okay.
Do little shorts. You know, we're gonna have to cut one of them. Okay. Just out. Spit it
Can I try forward or something?
Spit it out. Just spit it out.
Not in the face.
Just spit the inner two out. Just hit out.